Welcome to our channel. If you lost access to your crypto wallet but have your recovery phrase, follow this simple guide to restore your funds. Step 1. Locate your recovery seed phrase, which is typically 12 or 24 words that you wrote down when creating your wallet. This is essential for recovery. Step 2. Download the same wallet application you originally used or a compatible wallet that accepts your wallet type's seed phrase format. Step 3. Select Restore Wallet or Import Wallet option instead of creating a new wallet when you first open the application. Step 4. Carefully enter your recovery seed phrase in the exact order written, double-checking each word for spelling and accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Create a new strong password for your restored wallet. Do not reuse your old password if you suspect it was compromised. Step 6. Wait for the wallet to sync with the blockchain, which may take several minutes to hours depending on the cryptocurrency and wallet type. Step 7. Once synced, verify all your funds and transaction history appear correctly in the restored wallet interface. Step 8. Immediately transfer your funds to a new wallet with a fresh seed phrase if you suspect your original wallet was compromised or if others may have access to your recovery phrase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.